Students, this is continuation of the last video. Let us start solving. Now, the diagram shows a regular pentagon. AB is a line of symmetry. Work out the value of D. If this is D means even this one is also D. What is each angle in a regular pentagon? Formula for each angle in a regular pentagon is n minus 2 into 180 over n. Pentagon means n replaced by 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180 by 5. That will give you 108, which is nothing but 2D. The entire angle is 108, which means D equal to 54. Okay. Next. From the list of numbers, write down a cube number. This is not a cube number, not a cube number. This is a cube number. 343. In your calculator, you can see cube root of 343 will give you 7. That means it's a cube number. The smallest number, he didn't say positive or negative, just said smallest. Smallest will be minus 11. Next one, a natural number. This is not a natural number. Even this natural number has to be a positive number. So 343 itself. This is decimal, decimal, decimal. So not a natural number. Now, simplify m power 5 power 2. So multiple powers you need to multiply. So m power 5 into 2 it becomes m power 10. Next, here first multiply the numbers. 4 into 5 is 20. X power 3 into x power 2 is x power 5. Y power 1 into y power 1 is y power 2. This is the answer. Now the next sum. D is a point 2 minus 5 and D equal to 7 comma 1. Find out the coordinates of E. DE equal to 7 comma 1. DE can be written as OE minus OD. That's how we write O times of second one minus the first one equal to 7 comma 1. You want position where coordinates of E means OE. So send OD to that side. So 7 comma 1 plus OD, which is 2 comma minus 5. So that will become 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So it is 9 and minus 4. Okay. Next. V equal to T 12. Mod V equal to 13. Work out the value of T where T is negative. Magnitude formula is square root of T square plus 12 square equal to 13. Send the square root that side. So it becomes T square plus 12 square equal to 13 square. Send 12 square that side. 13 square minus 12 square. This result in 25. So T equal to square root of 25 is plus or minus 5. He said T is negative. So T value has to be minus 5. Okay. Next one. Q equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down a set P where P is a subset, means a part of Q. You can write any number. I just took some part of P you place, some part of Q you take. That will be a subset of Q. Any part of Q will be a subset of Q. Now next one. Shade the regions in the Venn diagram. It is M union N complement. First I want you to shade M. So let us say I have stroked lines. The entire M. Next is N complement means leaving N. I put into marks over there. In between them, what is the sign? Union. Union means everything. So this entire is the answer. whichever is not shaded except that. Now next one. Take one by one. First you take A union B. Stroke line I am placing in A union B. Next is C complement, I put stars, leaving C everything. Except C everything. Okay, except C everything is star. In between them, what do you have? Intersection means the part which has come in both stroked line and also star. Which part is it? It's only this part. So my answer is only this one. The the region where stroke line and star into mark have come, that is the answer. Rest all in the exam, erase it. Next sum. Describe fully the single transformation that maps A onto B. A to B, it's obviously the decreasing, but how much is it decreasing? It's not clear in this. Let us use scale. If I use scale, this is around 3 I get. And how much is this? Around 1. So if here it is 3 centimeters, it has come 1 centimeter. So this is enlargement. Since it is decreasing, we show 1 by 3. Had it been increasing, we show 3. Next, I need to know the center of it. What will be the center? How do you find the center of it? Join the tip, both the tips, that will be easier. And same way join these two. So wherever the lines met, that is your center. So here 2, 1 is the center. This is how you find the center while enlargement. Okay. Next one. Y is inversely proportional to x plus 1 whole square. Inversely means we write 1 by. To remove this proportional symbol, we place k. To find out k value, one set of values are given. So 50 equal to k by x is 0.2 plus 1 whole square. That implies k equal to 50 into 1.2 square, which is 72. So now my equation is replace k by 72. 72 by x plus 1 whole square. Yeah, next this one. You want y, so replace x equal to 0.5 in this. So y equal to 72 by 0.5 plus 1 whole square. Place it in the calculator, you get 32. Now next sum. The diagram shows a scale drawing of Tariq's garden. The scale is 1 centimeter, represents 2 meter. Okay. Now Tariq puts a statue in the garden. The statue is equidistant from 2 trees. First let us draw. Equidistant means how do you get that line? Compass more than half, above, below. Same measurement, more than half, above, below. Join these two. What I mean is you need to draw perpendicular bisector of this line. Next, and 10 meters from the bird bath. 10 meters means how many centimeters? 1 centimeter is 2 meters. So 10 meters, how many centimeters will it become? It becomes 5 centimeters. So from bird bath, you draw an arc of 5 centimeters. So let us assume they have met here. So this point is the statue. where it's equidistant from both the trees and also 10 meters away from this bird bath. That label as S. That is the answer. Okay. Now next one. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. I need to make it into single fraction. So what do I do? LCM. What LCM will I get? All the three. X minus 3 into x plus 7 into 2. This should be multiplied with these two. So it is 5 into 2 into x plus 7 plus 3 into, this should be multiplied by these two. So 3 into 2 into x minus 3 plus 1 should be multiplied by these two, x minus 3 into x plus 7. Now 5 into 2 is 10. Multiply with 10, how much you get? 10x plus 70 plus here it is 6. So 6x minus 18 plus here x square plus 7x minus 3x minus 21 by, don't simplify it, leave it like that only, x minus 3 into x plus 7. So next, how many x square terms are there? Only one, so it is x square. How many x terms are there? 7x 3 minus 3x 6x, 10 plus 6 16 plus 7 23 minus 3 20x plus 20x I get. Now how many numbers are there? Plus 70 minus 18. Minus 18 minus 21 is 39. So minus 39 plus 70 is plus 31 by 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 7. This is the answer.